The cloud has revolutionized IT infrastructure. With AWS, you access powerful computing resources on demand. This flexibility requires a shared understanding of security. Enter the AWS shared responsibility model. AWS manages cloud security while you manage security in the cloud. Focus on building and deploying applications, free from managing physical data centers. Leverage AWS's scale, security, and expertise. The shared responsibility model is key to secure AWS operations. Understand your responsibilities to protect your business. Work together for a secure cloud environment. Let's break down the AWS shared responsibility model. First, security of the cloud. AWS protects the infrastructure. This includes hardware, software, and facilities. Second, security in the cloud. You secure your applications and data, configure settings, and manage access. Security is a shared effort. Understand and work together. Maintain a secure cloud environment. As an AWS customer, you have specific responsibilities when it comes to securing your cloud environment. These responsibilities vary depending on the services you use and the level of control you choose to retain. First and foremost, you are responsible for securing your data. This includes encrypting data at rest and in transit, implementing access control mechanisms, and ensuring compliance with relevant data privacy regulations. Next, you need to configure your AWS services securely. This involves setting appropriate security group rules, configuring firewalls, and enabling logging and monitoring to detect and respond to security incidents. Finally, you are responsible for managing your operating systems, applications, and data. This includes patching vulnerabilities, implementing secure coding practices, and following security best practices for your chosen technologies. Section 4. AWS takes the reins. Responsibilities of the cloud provider. AWS takes its responsibility for securing the cloud very seriously. They invest heavily in building and operating a secure global infrastructure. This includes implementing physical and environmental controls to protect their data centers from unauthorized access and environmental threats. AWS is also responsible for the security of the hardware and software that underpin their services. They ensure that their servers, networking equipment, and operating systems are hardened and patched against known vulnerabilities. Additionally, AWS manages the security of its global network. They employ sophisticated security measures to protect their network from intrusion, denial of service attacks, and other threats. This includes firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, and DDoS mitigation services. Section 5. Shared responsibilities. A collaborative approach. While AWS and its customers have distinct security responsibilities, there are areas where these responsibilities overlap. These shared responsibilities require collaboration and communication between AWS and its customers. One such area is patching and updating. AWS is responsible for patching the underlying infrastructure and services, while customers are responsible for patching their operating systems, applications, and databases. Another shared responsibility is incident response. AWS provides tools and services to help customers detect and respond to security incidents, but customers are ultimately responsible for investigating and remediating incidents within their AWS environment. Finally, both AWS and its customers have a shared responsibility for compliance. AWS complies with a wide range of security and privacy standards and certifications, but customers are responsible for ensuring that their use of AWS services aligns with their specific compliance requirements.